welcome to a quick tutorial on how you can make slip knots and chain stitches for your crochet. For this you are just going to need a yarn of your choice and a hook that is appropriately sized. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to be able to do is create a slip knot, and this is how we attach the yarn to the hook so that it can be manipulated. To do that is really simple. There are many different ways of doing it, but I tend to just make a little loop in my yarn like so. I will then pass the tail through and then pull it just so that it tightens like so, a bit like you were going to tie a knot but you didn't pull the tail all the way through. This hoop can then have the hook slotted onto it like so, and the great thing about a slip knot is that it is really easy to loosen off or to tighten up depending on which of the two tails that you pull. And once you've made your slip knot, you want to make sure that it's tight enough that it's not just going to come flying off the end of the hook, but it's not so tight that it's gripping fiercely onto the shaft neither. You want to make sure that it moves quite freely so that you can easily manipulate the yarn. And once you've got your slip knot in place, now it's time to start making your first stitches, and these are going to be chain stitches. In patterns they can sometimes be referred to as foundation chains, but it will usually tell you how many of these you're going to need. And making a chain stitch is a nice easy process. All we're going to do is we're just going to yarn over, that is grabbing hold of the yarn with the hook, and then we are going to pull that through the little loop that was on the hook, as you can see. We can yarn over again and pull through, and again and pull through. And you can see here that we have now created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little chains. This does not include the slip knot at the beginning, nor the hoop that is left over the hook. They aren't included. This is 6 chains together, not including those 2. But that's all you need to do in order to create your chain, so you can just keep going as long as you need to. If you need 20 chains, then just keep going until you have 20 of them. As you can see, they build up quite nicely, and they're quite a simple stitch. And there you have it. It is as simple as that, and now you have those foundation chains made, ready to start the rest of your project. Anywho, I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial. Happy crocheting everybody, and I will see you again soon.